In the age of electric vehicles, the road to a sustainable future is paved with innovation. But as we embrace this electrifying transition, a significant question arises. How much does it cost to install an EV charger in my condo parking spot? The average cost in Ontario can range from $5,000 to $10,000, and the cost truly depends on a number of factors. You can start by asking yourself these questions. Does my condo already have the necessary electrical to support an EV charging station? If so, your cost to add a station will be much lower than those needing additional electrical work. How far is the parking spot from the condo's electrical rooms? Longer wire distances in most cases will lead to higher material and installation costs due to voltage drops and the need for a larger conduit. How many other condo owners are installing at the same time? In this case, the more the merrier. It's encouraged to have multiple units sign up together as costs can be distributed among condo owners. How much of the fixed costs does the condo owner pay? Decided on a case-by-case basis, there will be some fixed costs that you may need to pay in full or partially depending on your condo's board. Government rebates, like in Ontario, are sometimes available which could cover up to 50% of these costs. Some other costs to consider when installing an EV charger include internet connectivity. If your parking spot lacks Wi-Fi coverage, you'll need to set up internet in the parking garage. The brand and model of the EV charger you choose, as some are more expensive than others. And lastly, the cost of registering your EV charger to title, which is a requirement in Ontario for which you'll want to hire a lawyer. While we've tried to provide a great starting list of costs, a number of additional factors may exist depending on your specific condo building. Contact Metro EV to speak with an EV charging expert today.